My name is Moses Wangai, and today I'm going to take you through what content writers can expect to earn in their writing career. There are the default pay rates for any job that any person does, and earning money nowadays is not that easy. So, as other job types have a typical salary or wages, content writing as a job category is a job that has varying payment rates. In this video, I am going to identify and explain what anyone interested in content writing can expect to earn in his or her career. Some several factors or determinants dictate how much you can earn from your content writing. And one of the major determinants of how much you can charge per writing order or contract is the sum of your writing history, level of education, lifestyle, and overall professional experience. Why is this a determinant? Your writing history tells how close to perfect you are in your writing. Your level of education and overall professional experience gives your work authority in its industry. The more experienced you are, the more earnings will be. Your positioning and how you present and market the above things. This gives you the exposure that you need to make yourself known to the possible clients and audience. Combined with other skills and professional licenses, as well as the industrial expertise that you would bring to the table, your positioning as either an industrial player or analyst gives an indirect quotation of the maximum amount of money that you can ask for from a client. The more exposed you are, the lesser you will have to prove your professionalism. Having more skills increases your earnings. Another factor that determines how much you can be paid per writing order is if you are working with a private client or on a content platform. Generally, working with a private client has been proven to make the content writers make more money compared to working on content platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, like Access, and the like. This is because the site cuts transactional fees. The client also know that there are a lot of writers on these platforms and hence post writing tasks for fewer budgets. This makes you as a writer to earn less compared with working with direct clients. Go for private clients. Another factor is the size and type of client and their experience with ordering content. Before submitting your pitch, ensure that you have researched your possible client's history of work and the size. If the client is an organization, they tend to pay a little more compared to individuals who are requesting for personal work and use. Reading reviews about the clients might save you a ton of time and effort. As we have seen earlier in this video, earnings expected from content writing is dependent on the various factors. How then can you expect to earn roughly? The ideal starting pay rate is $0.5 per word. That goes for $15 per page for a 300 word page. This is low place to start, but it is more good to build yourself up to 30 cost per word. So in conclusion, content writing is just like any other job out there. All you need to have is a professional portfolio and a good communication skills to pitch perfectly. If you need money through writing, you need to work yourself to be in the best in your field. Write high quality content that will impress your clients and set it up in your online portfolio. It is very easy to earn $100 a day, but through content writing. All you need is to have discipline and proper mindset. If you are new here, consider subscribing and following me on my social media platforms for more interactions. The links are in the description box below, and I would love to hear from you. Leave me all your questions in the comments below, and I'll get back to you soon. See you in the next video.